So here's a small progress update. So we got the engine in yesterday. Right now it's leaning forward, so this is what's holding it from falling too far forward. It's kind of janky, but it works. Hook up the AC, or just bolted on the compressor. So hooked up all the mounts for the alternator, the bracket for the intercooler piping, and the water pump housing, the cooling mod, and the water pump itself. That's all done. And now I am slowly retapping all the intake manifold bolts, because most of them are already stripped out and some of them are already tapped to M8. So they're all originally they're all M7 by 1. That's the thread pitch, and it's a very M7 itself is a very uncommon bolt size. So I'm just right now retapping all of them to M8 1.25 thread pitch, so it will be even across the board, and I can actually tighten my manifold, because currently like 7 of them are stripped out. So yeah, once I do that, I'll probably try to hook up the glow plugs, just a relay, and see how it all fits. And yeah, that's that.